Thank you for joining us today on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson, and today we're going to take you through the steps of creating your own catalogs and collections of NFTs on the Opensea marketplace as well as the Coinbase marketplace. One of the main questions that you have to ask yourself when you're talking about NFTs at this point is why. It was all the rage a couple of months ago, but given the economic reality of what is happening to staking in the United States as the SEC is moving in to kind of regulate that following the Ethereum merge and just the dismantling of Ethereum proof of work to proof of stake strictly, how do you then translate that into what's happening with the NFT market? Well, NFTs are only sold and traded in wrapped Ethereum or Ethereum. Since those are all staked, you're as a stakeholder of that token. You can still willy-nilly pay for things with Ethereum and convert it into cash, but as far as the proof of stake model goes, there's some questions that's going to have to be answered. That aside, the technology behind the ecosystem of the NFT market and what it represents is still something we all need to be taking notice of and getting involved in. Now, a lot of projects have come and gone. You'll see a lot of games or tokenization of images as kind of the mainstay of what's going on with the NFT market. But it's more than that. You can save individual audio files, for instance, and that's a boon to the music industry, and I don't think anything has really come close to touching that. And as we get deeper and deeper into this, we may look at it as a way to augment, not circumvent, the current copyright and trademark statutes in the United States. An NFT will never replace a copyright or a patent as it is structured now, but the possibility of being able to use blockchain technology to secure these tangible assets into non-tangible or non-fungible assets is very promising. So without any further ado, let's talk about how we create our own and how do you use Opensea and Coinbase to do it. Okay, so creating NFTs are pretty straightforward and simple. We're going to use two methods of doing it, and this is going to assume that you've already set up your MetaMask, Coinbase, or Wallet Connect external wallet. Those wallets are what you're actually logging into, and you're using the OpenSea.io portal or the NFT.coinbase.com portal to do it. Let's demonstrate. Open your web browser. And let's open up a tab for the OpenSea.io and another one for NFT.coinbase.com. Let's start with Coinbase NFT. Hit sign in and select the wallet that you want to use. I have a Coinbase one, but again, I'm just going to use my MetaMask. And again, if you've already installed the extension on your browser, which you should have done, you're just going to log into that. On the Coinbase, you're going to hit sign, and there it is. Your wallet that you've created is already ready to go, and there's your create NFT button. From here, you go ahead, select the NFT you want to create, give it a name, give it a description, and hit continue. Coinbase has you set up a couple of options. What type of NFTs do you want to mint? This is the minting process. You can use the ERC 721 or the ERC 1155, where some NFTs are the exact same, and you can have 5 of the same image with 20 copies of each, versus 100 unique one-of-a-kind NFTs on the ERC 721. And then you also choose whether you want to mint immediately, which stores those NFTs to your wallet, or some new option that I haven't gotten into yet, where it lets your community mint your NFTs, not you. They'll pay the network fees and the NFTs will not be added to your wallet. It's going to a community. I'm not real sure on that one yet, so we'll give you more of a video on that later. But let's just go ahead and hit create collection. You'll get a confirmation of your image, the description, the wallet address of that NFT, how much it's going to cost to deploy, not mint, and how much it's going to cost you in gas fees. Now, gas fees are all important no matter what method you use. This is what is going to be the most expensive part of creating your NFTs. You open your wallet, it immediately tells you what the gas fees are on the MetaMask wallet. $38 maximum fees, and it's going to take about 30 seconds to do it. Make sure you funded your wallet, and that will be the end of that. And that is simply how you create an NFT. All right. Next up, we're going to show you how to do it on on OpenSea. Now on OpenSea, it's pretty much the same thing. You go to your wallet, you hit create, you log in, there's your wallet. Now I've already gone ahead and created a bunch of my own NFTs here. They're all ready to sell. To create on OpenSea, there's a link there, edit, or the little edit icon with create. And again, same deal. The gas fees are what governs what you're able to put out there. Now, if you've got a collection, that's great. But if you don't have enough Ethereum in your wallet, you're not going to be able to put these things up or mint them for consumption or for sale. Many products get started this way, just if you're bored, just throwing some things out there. But let's talk a little bit about what this actually is. NFTs, along with a lot of crypto assets, took a major dive during the crypto winter just now. 6 months ago, it was all the rage. Everyone was trying to create bigger and better ways to make passive income through cryptocurrency. And NFTs were a way to create a unique work of art, so to speak, and have those images, those songs hold a value. When the merge happened on Ethereum, staking took over. There's no more proof of work. A lot of people pulled out their Ethereum. The value of the Ethereum is a lot lower than what it once was. And now we have the added confusion of what's going on in the United States government with staking and their approach to treating it as a security or a commodity and outright banning it in the United States. That may be a problem for your NFT creation, seeing as how most of what is being sold, or virtually all of it, is being sold on the Ethereum blockchain, where they are still exclusively and only using proof of stake work, staked Ethereum, staked coins. I did see some options here on the OpenSea marketplace where they're going back to Solana, which is one of the few proof of work networks that are still around. But these are major obstacles and major questions that are going to have to be answered in the short term. Now, this video was just a quick overview. It does require that you know a little bit more about installing these things. I may be able to put another video together on how to add your extension wallet to it. But by and large, there's nothing to it. It's just that simple of adding and creating your own files as NFTs and then putting them out there for sale. Just keep in mind that you're going to have to pay some gas fees. Once you get past that, you're done. I want to hear what you have to think about this. Just leave some comments in the section below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and check me out on some of these questions that I have, and let's see what we can do to try to make this a little bit more or less convoluted than what it already is. Good luck to you.